Hello everyone! Okay, so this month I am back with how to kill a kit with style. So I have my kit here. Let's kind of start with the paper. So most of you had a sneak peek at a lot of this paper because I did end up using a lot of the paper from my cherry on top haul video that I did. Okay, so this first one is Bo Bunny's Escape from Paradise. Love both sides of this. Probably going to use this one, but we'll see. And then I chose Webster's Pages, Love is in the Air. This is from my stash. I chose it for this like peachy side. So we have a lot of kind of peaches and yellows and pinks going on in this kit. Willow Lane from Maggie Holmes. I chose it for this side. Then we have some Kaiser Craft paper. This is from the Peachy collection. I don't know which side that I want to use, but I love them both. This is My Mind's Eye from the Bliss collection. Again, love both sides. This is from Echo Park, Dots and Stripes. This is the copper foil in light mint. This paper is from Jen Hadfield's Along the Way. I chose it for this side for sure. This paper is a random paper. Oh, this is from Paper House Productions. Okay, this is from Paper House Productions. It's called Teal Chevrons. This is a thinner paper, so I won't be using it as a background. This paper is also from Paper House Productions, so I guess maybe it's important to tell you, since we're getting into these blues, that I took my color inspiration from this set of die cuts. So there is those dark blues and the yellows and the peaches and some of the greens and teals. Okay, maybe I should tell you that, right? Okay, so this is also from Paper House Productions. This is another Colorways paper. I chose it for this side. And this is the second one. And again, mostly for that side because I really thought this floral set off some of the florals really well. My last three papers are actually some color papers. These are Color Play papers from Photo Play, and they're double-sided. You can use them for cards, you can use them for anything. I basically pulled these out because I recently purchased some alcohol markers. These are the Nuvo alcohol markers. These are the ones I chose to try, because they came in packs of 3 and it made blending and coloring and picking colors super easy. So I have those and I'm going to try those. And so I wanted to add these in. One thing, because I didn't want to lose them, because I know that they are made for alcohol markers. And I also wanted to try my new products. So those are my papers. And then I also grabbed a 6x6 paper pad. This is Authentique's Dreamy collection, I think it's called. It's a little bit lighter. It's all double-sided. This came in a cherry box, and I thought the colors were pretty. I thought that they went well with the rest of my embellishments, and I really like it. So I thought that would be something different. And then I have some wood veneer hearts, tons of wood veneer hearts. And then I also went ahead and I pulled out some of Crate Paper's Journal Studio because I have lots of it, and I really haven't touched it at all yet. So these Journal Studio products were part of a kit that I got from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. Not this past National Scrapbook Day, but the National Scrapbook Day before that. So yeah. So we have puffy stickers, and we have some die cuts here with lots of journaling options, and we have the whole entire sticker book, which has alphabets and clear stickers and used stickers and lots of stickers. So that'll be good. I went ahead and chose 2 packs of Epoxy Flare from Scrap and Happy Studio because I love them. And then I also chose 3 stamp sets. So I chose 2 alphabets because I've decided I'm gonna just kind of stamp my titles. So this is the Adorn It alphabet set from Jen Scow. Love it. And then this is from Felicity Jane, but it's actually Jen's hand lettering. Jen Scouts hand lettering, so I chose that one, and you can tell this stamp set is well loved. And then I also grabbed this stamp set. This is the Grow Through It stamp set, also from Jen. And you guys know how much I love to stamp, and since I want to maybe do some coloring, stuff like that, I wanted to have a couple of stamp sets that I could utilize in my kit. So this is my How to Kill a Kit with Style video. I'm probably going to be creating with it a lot. Well, I plan on creating with it a lot this month. I plan on killing it, actually. Ah. But anyway, be sure to swing by. You'll find below links to all the YouTubers that are playing along with How to Kill a Kit with Style this month. We have some super fun girls that are coming back to play along with us, like one of my very favorites, Melissa Vining. Christina's back this month. Lots and lots of fun girls. So I'm back this month. So be sure to hop in. I will make sure that I will put in parentheses in the video description when this is the How to Kill a Kit with Style video. And I will probably pull in maybe some products from Spiegel Mom Scraps, some sequins. I think some of the new sequin mixes that are coming to me will match this kit. And yeah, we'll see how we go. All right, I'll see you all again very soon. Bye.